Okay.
But there will be no geography.
No, there will be a geography. 4 to 5. 4 to 5 your as it is time, that is for geography, and 3 to 4 English, 5 to 6 is English, because our syllabus is left na.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, what is pronoun? Let's begin with our new chapter, grammar. Pronoun.
Yes.
Have you heard the word pro?
Yes. Yes.
What is pro?
And who are very much something nice in the something.
Something nice
Like
in the something.
means like football, cricket.
Shaurya,
They
what
are
is?
well.
Have you heard the word pro?
No means game of Free Fire. Everybody say I am pro.
I'm pro. The pro means the updated version. या फिर बोलते हैं pro means the upgraded speciality of something. ठीक है, तो उसी तरह से pro means the higher version of noun, that is pronoun, है ना. You can say that it's very much connecting to the nouns because वो noun को replace करता है. Pronoun is something to replace noun. ठीक है, तो pronouns are the word which takes place of nouns. ठीक है, जैसे if we are talking about someone, if I'm talking about Taksh, तो मैं ऐसे बोलूँ Taksh is a boy, Taksh is studying in my class, Taksh is a very good boy, Taksh is how much years old you are?
Then 12.
Oh, sorry. So Taksh is 12 years old. So Taksh completes his notebook. तो have you seen कि पूरे पैराग्राफ में how many times I repeated the word Taksh? 5 times. 5 to 10, लो 10 times. So तो it doesn't look proper ना कि ये क्या हो रहा है, मतलब ऐसा लग रहा है वो तक्ष के बारे में शो ऑफ चल रहा है. तक्ष तो ये, तक्ष तो वो, तक्ष तो ये, तक्ष, है ना. So pronoun is to replace the noun word. Just say if I'm talking about Taksh is studying in my class, then I'll not repeat the word Taksh again because I will replace the word Taksh with a he. That is pronoun. Okay, I'll repeat the sentence with the pronoun that he is a good boy. He is studying in my class. ओके, सो दैट इज कॉल्ड रिप्लेसिंग अ नाउन, दैट इज कॉल्ड प्रोनाउन. ठीक है, देखो यहाँ पे जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल सेंटेंसेस विद नाउन्स कैसा होता है. नीता एंड आई वर वेटिंग फॉर रीटा एंड रिया. So many names are there in a sentence, but pronoun makes a sentence like a pro. यहाँ पे वो पूरा pro हो जाता है ना. It's a upgraded version. You can say that we are waiting for them. We are waiting for them. Now, Pandit Ramabai was a great scholar. अब मैं यहाँ पे हर जगह पे if I use the word पंडित रामाबाई, तो यहाँ ये सेंटेंस कैसा लगेगा. सी, Pandit Ramabai was a great scholar. Pandit Ramabai founded a widow's home in Pune to provide them shelter. Them नहीं यूज करते हैं. Pandit Ramabai lived in it and trained her. So in a one sentence, you don't have to repeat Pandit Ramabai again and again and again, right? So pronoun is used to replace the noun. So it can be easily understood that Pandit Ramabai was a great scholar. She founded a widow's home in Pune to provide them shelter. They lived in it and trained her. Got it? Shaurya? Understood? Taksh? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
In the sentence you have just read, she, he, her, them, they, and it are the pronouns which have taken the place of noun in the sentences. है ना? यहाँ पे she means that Pandit Ramabai, then her again said to be her, Pandit Ramabai. Them means the widows. Okay, they again used for widows. It is used for the नॉन लिविंग थिंग, यानी वो उस घर के बारे में शायद वो बोल रहे होंगे, या दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द शेल्टर. शेल्टर इज अ नॉन लिविंग थिंग, तो वहां पे इट यूज हो गया. सो दिस ऑल दिस वर्ड्स दैट शी, हर, देम, दे एंड इट रिप्लेसेस द नाउन. ओके, the noun which a pronoun stand for it called antecedent, Now, so Pandita is the antecedent of the pronoun and her. The noun widows in the antecedent for them and they will. By whom is the antecedent for it. Now, kinds of pronoun. There are so many kinds of pronoun. That is, first one is the personal pronoun. The personal means something related to us. Okay. So, I, we, you, he, she, it, she, they are said to be the personal pronoun. We use personal pronoun to refer people, place, things without actually naming them. Noun में कैसे use होता था for personal, the personal name for a people, place, a thing. Similarly, personal pronouns are referred to people, place, or things without actually naming them. We are not directly naming them, but indirectly using pronouns for them. Got it? So, personal pronouns are divided into three classes on the basis of the role: first person, second person, and third person. ठीक है? So personal pronouns are divided into three classes. Number one, first person, second person, and third person. Now, for first person मतलब जो बोल रहा है, the one who is speaking is said to be the first person. जैसे I और me. ठीक है? Second person, the person to you, the person spoken to, जिससे हम बात कर रहे हैं, this to be the second person. ठीक है? जैसे I am teaching in the class. So I means the first person, that is me. है ना? So Shonali ma'am is the first person teaching in the class. So class is my second person. Who is listening? Taksh and Shaurya is listening. So Taksh and Shaurya. They, यानी you both are said to be the they because you are plural. क्योंकि दो जन हो तुम लोग, ठीक है? So they said to be the second person. And if I'm talking about some third person, if I'm talking about Sachin Tendulkar, if I'm talking about MS Dhoni in the classroom, so MS Dhoni or Sachin Tendulkar or Virat Kohli will become the third person to be discussed. Got it? Understood? So third person, the
Yes,
person
ma'am.
spoken about, जिसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं, is said to be the third person. So यहाँ पे I can say that if I am teaching you pronoun, so I will be the first person, you will become the second person, and pronoun will be said to be the third person because I am teaching about pronoun. Got it? Now, male, female में always there is a him or he and she or her. यहाँ पे her नहीं दिया है पर her आएगा, ठीक है? She and her will be used for females. ठीक है? Easy. Now, for singular and plural, him singular के लिए यूज होता है and they plural के लिए यूज होता है. If there are two boys, जैसे यहाँ पे if I am talking only to Taksh, so I will use the word him. I am talking to him, right? Taksh, नींद आ रही है. इतना अच्छा लेक्चर में नींद आ रही है, सीरियसली? ठीक है, अच्छा नहीं है वो
थोड़ी थोड़ी आती है.
ओके, थोड़ी थोड़ी नहीं आनी चाहिए वरना क्या हो जाएगा ना, मिस हो जाएगा इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट. ओके, सो इफ आई एम टॉकिंग टू ओनली टू तक्ष तो मैं बोल सकती हूँ आई टॉक टू हिम, सो हिम इज फॉर सिंगुलर. बट इफ आई एम टॉकिंग टू शौर्य एंड तक्ष बोथ, so it will become they because I am talking to them. है ना? They and them it is used for plural. It means a thing, a situation. Here it is equals to time. A pronoun must agree with its antecedent in a number and a gender. The boys went to the circle. The boys, yani there were no singular person, there were plural, the boys. Okay, so there are lots of boys, so they will become they, and circus will become it because it's a non-living thing. Okay, the man is intelligent, isn't he? So he will become, so the man become he यहाँ पे क्या हो गया? Pronoun. ठीक है? Mother is tired, help her. So mother is tired, help, but whom? Again, you don't have to write mother is tired, help the mother. No, help her. Okay, got it? So let's come to our first exercise, that is choose and write the correct pronoun given in the brackets in these gaps. When dash explain, when I explain my problem to my principal, अब यहाँ पे ये कैसा लगता है देखो, when me explain me problem to my principal. First one was right or second one?
First.
Okay, first. So when I explained my problem to my principal, she
She
very
was very
kindly, she was है वहां पे, मुझे दिख नहीं रहा है यहाँ पे, is it there's a was here or
no
not?
man, no man.
Okay. She
No,
very
no.
kindly allowed me to leave early, और यहाँ पे आएगा her very kindly allowed I to leave early. Which one is correct? First one or second one?
Second on me. Me.
हाँ, me. So second sentence is right, that she is very kind, she very kindly allowed me to leave early. Okay, now it was she या her आएगा यहाँ पे, बताओ. It was
Her.
she wanted,
Her.
exactly, it was her, it was she. सेंटेंस में कुछ प्रॉपरली नहीं है, ना फुल स्टॉप है ना कुछ है. इट वाज शी वी वांटेड टू स्पीक विथ. इज इट करेक्ट? शी.
Yes ma'am, our school name she.
हाँ, एग्जैक्टली. तो यहाँ पे कुछ सेंटेंस नहीं है, यानी यहाँ पे कुछ ग्रामर नहीं है, सीधा इट्स अ फुल सेंटेंस. सो इट वाज शी वी वांटेड टू लिसन विथ, राइट?
Ma'am, we wanted to speak.
हाँ, सॉरी, वी वांटेड टू स्पीक विथ एंड नॉट हिम. ओके, अब यहाँ पे मैं पढ़ रही हूँ, इट वाज हर us wanted to speak with, not him. तो ये गलत हो गया, मतलब इतना improper लग रहा है सेंटेंस. तो यहाँ पे क्या आ गया? It was she we wanted to speak with, not him. He had already spoken with us earlier. Easy?
Very.
Okay. Very easy. Okay. Third one, Taksh, say.
Yes. They were very happy to know that I had done well.
Okay.
They congratulated me and told me to keep in touch with them.
Okay, correct. Now, Shaurya, fourth one.
Last night we phoned them and told them the truth of the matter. They were greatly taken aback, but in the end, they understood the situation.
Okay, so यहाँ पे दो जगह मिस्टेक किया तक्ष ने. क्या आएगा? लास्ट नाइट वी फोन्ड देम एंड टोल्ड देम द ट्रुथ ऑफ द मैटर, नॉट दे. आई डिड एंड टोल्ड दे ने, ठीक है, देम आएगा यहाँ पे. अगेन, दे वर ग्रेटली टेकन अबैक बट इन द एंड दे अंडरस्टूड द सिचुएशन, नॉट देम. ठीक है, अंडरस्टूड तक दो जगह मिस्टेक है.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
ओके, नाउ शौर्य, फिफ्थ वन.
Please give me a reminder regarding my brother's birthday. I must wish him tomorrow morning. After all, he is my only brother, isn't it?
नो, इजंट इट नहीं, इजंट ही.
Yes, ma'am. वो क्या जानवर की कोई प्लेस है तो isn't it
हाँ,
आएगा?
ओके ओके, सॉरी सॉरी तक, वो भी गलती. शौर्य पर्सनल हो गया. इट्स ओके, इट्स फाइन ना. रॉन्ग रॉन्ग होता है तो ठीक है, नो प्रॉब्लम. सो वहां पे इट नहीं आएगा, ही आएगा. ही इज द, आफ्टर ऑल ही इज माय ओनली ब्रदर, इजंट ही, है ना? जैसे यहाँ पे यूज हुआ था, द मैन इज इंटेलिजेंट, इजंट ही. शौर्य, लुक हियर over the
Yes.
screen. See
Yes.
this, the man is intelligent, isn't he? Question mark. उसी इसी तरह से यहाँ पे the after all he is my only brother, isn't he आना चाहिए. ठीक है, because we are
Yes.
talking about his brother, that he. Got it? Now possessive noun, ये अभी तक क्या पढ़ रहे थे हम? There we were just doing the personal pronouns. ठीक है, ये सारे personal pronouns थे. I, me, them. Shaurya also is in tired mood, नींद आ रही है. So
No, ma'am.
you're
हाँ, ma'am.
yawning. Okay, now come to possessive.
तो ग्रामर में तो नींद भी आती है.
ग्रामर में नींद आती है, पर कोई बात नहीं, नहीं आएगी. जब हम कुछ एक्टिविटी अच्छी करेंगे तो नहीं आएगी. नाउ कम टू possessive pronoun. What is possessive?
मैम एक एक्टिविटी मेरे पास अच्छी पड़ी है.
नहीं, पहले ये बताओ, what is possessive pronoun? What is the word possessive
Pronouns
means?
that show possession or ownership are called possessive pronouns.
but possessive means that something that you are confidently saying that is yours. Okay, that thing belongs to your, that possession belongs to you are the owner of that thing, usko bolte hain possessive.
And these pens
Possession.
belongs to me.
So this is your pen, that is called yours, है ना? You can say that this is mine. So देखो यहाँ पे there is a difference between possessive adjective and possessive pronoun. ठीक है? तो possessive adjective क्या होता है? There are not my, are, your, their, his, her books. ठीक है? These are called possessive adjective. But possessive pronouns क्या होता है? Mine, my का हो गया mine, your का हो गया yours, our का हो गया ours, and their का हो गया theirs. His and hers become same. His ऐसा ही रहता है, her का हो जाता है hers. Okay, so adding a s, ठीक है, to the pronoun becomes possessive pronouns, that is yours, ours, theirs, hers. ठीक है, my का become mine. Got it? So
Yes, ma'am.
it is, this pen belongs to me, this is mine. Okay, you
Yes,
understood?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, now there is an interrogative pronoun. Interrogative means asking questions. Okay, so interrogative pronoun is used to ask a question. Whose earring is this? It is mine. The answer is it is mine. So whoever is answering the answer, he is having the ownership or possession over the earrings. So it is said to be it is mine. So what and which are used for things. यहाँ पे ध्यान से देखो, what and which are used for things, whereas who and whom relate to people. If we are talking about living thing, तो हम क्या use करेंगे? We'll use who and whom. Whereas if we are using we are dedicating anything towards things, non-living thing, then we will use what and which. ठीक है? जैसे for example, whom are you waiting for? So we are waiting for a person or an animal. Okay, so it's related to people or a human being. Who are you waiting for? It's a formal English and informal English. ठीक है? जब जैसे formal letter informal letter लिखा था, yes sure you have to say something. Okay, so जब हम formally लिखते हैं ना letter, we have to write very correctly और बहुत ही professional way में letter लिखना होता है, तो we used to write that whom are you waiting for. But when we are writing for an informal letter, या we are writing very close to someone, तो क्या है, who are you waiting for? तो ये whom is like giving a respect to someone, whereas who is very casual. Understood? So
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
let's do our second exercise. Fill in the blanks with interrogative pronouns given below in bold. Okay, so dash is at the door. Question mark.
Who is at the door?
Yeah, exactly. We are asking for some human being. You're asking to a person. So who is at the door? Dash do you wish to see?
Whom do you?
Yes, exactly. Shaurya, is it correct? According to you? Okay. So Shaurya is also agree. So whom do you wish to meet? Second, dash camera is this.
Whose camera is this?
Okay,
And
Shaurya, you can also
Can
answer.
I ask?
Dash do I ask? नहीं, can नहीं होना चाहिए ना. Can लिख. Shaurya, what is
Who
your?
do I?
Who do I ask? Okay, and next.
Whom shall I approach?
Whom shall I approach to locate the owner? Taksh, what is your answer?
No, I have not written.
I have not written. So यहाँ पे क्या आ गया?
Ma'am, I have also not written.
Okay, but you have to think ना Taksh. Whose camera is this? यहाँ पे whom भी आ सकता है. Whom do I ask? या तो who do I ask? And whom shall I approach to locate the owner? Got it? Now, next, third. Dash can I do to assist you?
Who?
No.
What can I do?
Yes. What can I do to assist you? Next.
Which of these?
Which of these pens do you wish to purchase? Then,
What? What will be the mode of payment?
yes, what will be the mode of payment? What is the mode of payment meaning?
Ma'am, different type.
No, Taksh.
Different type. credit card,
हाँ,
debit card or
different
cash.
types of payment, that is if you are doing cash on delivery, if you are doing credit pay by card, if you are doing by GPay or Paytm, तो इसको बोलते हैं mode of payment, cash or credit. Now fourth one, Shaurya will say dash is the purpose of your visit.
What?
No, Taksh, you don't have to answer. Shaurya will answer it.
Ma'am, what?
Yes, what is the purpose of your visit? Now fifth, Taksh, hello. Yes, is he is at home.
Who should I say?
Who should I
Please
say is
call.
calling? But then
What? Sorry, please speak louder.
ना, तक्ष, read it like a sentence ना, कि समझ में आए. हम हिंदी में ऐसे ही बोलते हैं क्या, गुजराती में ऐसे ही बोलते हैं? नहीं, एक एक्सप्रेशन है इन सेंटेंसेस में. जैसे ये देखो, हेलो, यस, इजी एट होम, फुल स्टॉप. ठीक है. अब वी आर आस्किंग अ क्वेश्चन, तो वी हैव टू आस्क लाइक अ क्वेश्चन कि हु शुड आई से इज कॉलिंग, है ना. देन अगेन, व्हाट, सॉरी प्लीज स्पीक लाउडर. You don't have to read the sentence in a one pitch. यानी वो कैसा
Okay,
साउंड
ma'am.
कर रहा है मालूम है, कि यहाँ पे कोई कॉमा, कोई क्वेश्चन मार्क, कोई फुल स्टॉप नहीं है. इट्स अ वन सेंटेंस. तो ऐसा हो रहा है, ये ऐसा लग रहा है सुनने में. हेलो, यस, ही इज एट होम, हु शुड आई से इज कॉलिंग, व्हाट, सॉरी प्लीज स्पीक लाउडर. कैसा लगा ये, है ना. ये तो बहुत वियर्ड लगा. ही इज एट होम, हु शुड आई इज कॉलिंग, व्हाट, सॉरी प्लीज स्पीक लाउडर. So coming to our third pronoun, that is called reflexive or emphasizing pronoun. ठीक है. Reflexing and
Myself, yourself,
yes,
himself,
जिसमें we have
themselves,
very good, very good.
itself,
Sorry, your mic is off.
ourselves.
Okay. So uh, myself is a reflexive pronoun. I and myself mean the same thing. ठीक है. Myself refers back to the subject. अब यहाँ पे देखो, there is a two type of reflexive pronoun, that is singular and plural. Singular में is always myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself. यानी self, HSELF रहता है. ठीक है. But in plural it becomes selves, ourselves, that is F हट जाता है and VES. Shaurya, you are getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके. आवर सेल्फ का हो जाता है आवर सेल्फ, एंड थर्ड पर्सन अगर एक है तो हिमसेल्फ, हरसेल्फ, फर्स्ट पर्सन, और अगर बहुत सारे प्लूरल है, दैट आर लॉट्स ऑफ पर्सन, तो वो हो जाता है देमसेल्व्स. सो लेट्स डू इट फर्स्ट थर्ड एक्सरसाइज. लर्न द यूज ऑफ रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन गिवन बिलो. जिया मेड,
Herself a peanut butter sandwich.
very good.
But
Then she made one for Vicky. Yes, sure. Second one, Vicky had to.
what
Tux,
Vicky
Tux,
had
Tux, wait. Sorry is answering the. Yes, sorry.
himself.
Yes. Read full sentence.
Vicky had to force himself to
I-
eat it.
I think Shaurya
Eat
आज पता नहीं कहाँ है. Shaurya mentally present. Oh, sorry, physically present, mentally absent.
No, ma'am.
कहाँ ध्यान है आज? I am telling you.
Ma'am,
Read. I am telling you to read full sentence. That Vicky had to force himself to eat it. He detests peanut butter. You don't have to answer. You have to write full sentence. You have to read full sentence with answers. Okay. Next, Taksh.
We watch ourselves on the video.
Okay.
We admire ourselves looking so good.
आज तो कहाँ पे ourself और ourselves आएगा कहाँ पे?
First ourselves and second yours, me.
हाँ.
Ma'am, दोनों में ourselves.
Okay. Shaurya, what is your answer?
Ma'am, we watched ourselves on the video. We admired myself looking so grand in our wedding.
नहीं, but I am we. यहाँ पे talking हो रही है we की. So both are admiring, not only one person admiring.
Ma'am, show ourselves only.
So we admired.
Themselves.
No, we admired ourselves looking so grand in our wedding. Fingering. Now, Shaurya.
I ourselves saw the cat lick um lick ourselves clean uh, cats clean herself in this manner.
Cats clean. फिर क्या बोला? What is your answer?
Itself.
The cats clean itself in this manner. They hate water. What?
Ma'am,
Huh?
but I saw myself I myself saw the cat licking.
Yes, exactly. I myself saw the cat licking. है ना? I के साथ is always my. You have written it wrong, Taks, but correct it. Okay.
No, I have corrected also.
Okay. I myself saw the cat फिर lick.
Itself. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. फिर
Ma'am, I myself saw the cat lick itself clean.
हाँ.
Cats clean itself
नहीं.
in
Cat.
this manner.
Cats is a plural, तो यहाँ पे themselves आ जाएगा. Cats clean themselves in the
Themselves.
summer. है ना? It will come themselves. Cats clean themselves in this manner. They hate water. Now, fifth one, Taksh.
You yourself are to blame for the blunder you two have made. Let's hope for the best.
Okay. Sixth one, Shaurya.
Take care and look after yourself.
Taksh, Shaurya is answering. Why are you answering in between?
Now I can hear very late.
Acha, acha. Internet problem. Shaurya, say.
Take care, auntie. Look after yourself.
Look after yourself. Okay. So,
Ma'am, is my voice
your voice is coming.
echoing?
No, your voice is coming perfectly down. All right.
Okay.
चलो यहाँ पे use these phrases to fill in the blanks. The food is served. Who will answer? The food is served.
By myself.
नहीं.
Help yourself.
The food is served. Help yourselves, please. Okay. Come to
Behave
second.
themselves.
नहीं. The food is served. Behave themselves, please. नहीं. Come to second.
Ma'am, enjoyed ourselves.
Yes. जब कभी भी if you are getting confusion in two answers, leave it over first and second, third, fourth, fifth complete करो. ठीक है? Then you will get the correct option. Come in.
Make yourself at home.
Yes. Now I bake this strawberry and chocolate cake all
By myself.
perfectly fine. What noise? Tell the boys to
Behave themselves.
perfectly fine. Perfectly correct.
Then last will be help ourselves.
We went to beach. We went to beach. We
Enjoyed ourselves.
yes, we enjoyed ourselves wading in the sea waves and racing. Now, when we say these sentences, we stress self or selves. Okay? So fill in the blanks with a reflexive pronoun. I dash
Myself.
yes, myself sign the documents. You
yourself were witness.
you yourself were witness to it. Next, we should not blame others but ourselves when things go wrong. You dash wanted to change
yourself.
Yes. Why are you having doubts now? I
Myself.
had warned you about the change in your college. Napoleon
Had.
नहीं no had नहीं आता ना reflexive
Himself.
Yes, Napoleon himself picked up the wounded soldier. Then last, although she is very rich, Queen Elizabeth
Herself.
does not carry any money. ओके, कितने तक है
Okay,
एक्सरसाइज? चलो पहले यहां तक सॉल्व कर देते हैं फटाफट से. राइट इन द नोटबुक. यहाँ से फर्स्ट वन. Okay, in the first one, that is choose the correct pronoun. May you don't have to write the option. Okay, you have to write only the correct answer in the blank.
now we have to write the questions.
You have to write the question like this way. When I explained my problem to my principal, she very kindly allowed me to leave early. Got it? You don't try.
Okay.
You have to write the brackets.
So what is today's date?
30.
30.
30 June.
Okay.
We have discussed, but we have to write it because हम भूल ना जाए, है ना?
Yes.
Second one, it was she we wanted to speak with, not him. He had already spoken with us earlier. Just write with some speed, okay?
And tomorrow is doctor's day.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
Good. Third one, they were very happy to know that I had done well. They congratulated me and told me to keep in touch with them. Sure, do I zoom it?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Don't write the wrong answers, okay? अगर यहाँ पे wrong लिखा है तो don't write it. Write only the discussed answer. Fourth one, last night we phoned them and told them the truth of the matter. They were greatly taken aback, but in the end, they understood the situation. कौन से नंबर में तक्ष?
Ma'am, fourth.
Okay, Shaurya?
Ma'am, I'm on the third.
Okay. Tux completed?
Yes, ma'am. I am on fifth. Last one.
Okay.
I'm done.
Okay.
Done.
Shaurya?
Ma'am, I'm doing the fourth one only.
Okay, फटाफट हाँ.
Yes,
Tux,
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
write this one.
Yes.
Fill in the blank with interrogative pronoun given below in bold. Given above in bold, sorry.
Now, what is second answer? First one. First one. Second answer.
First one is who is at the door? Whom do you wish to meet?
Ma'am.
Huh?
Ma'am, we have to send the three letters and notice writing today only.
No. You have
So, ma'am, there is some due date.
a minute. When did you get the worksheet? Today or
Ma'am,
yesterday?
today only.
Okay, you got it today. So,
No, ma'am.
huh?
Yesterday.
Okay, no problem. Yesterday or today, no problem. Not an issue. Submit it before your exam. मतलब फिफ्थ को if there is an exam तो तुम लोग संडे तक में सबमिट कर दो.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. Now, what is answer of second one, third?
Second, okay. Whose camera is this? Whom do I ask? या तो who do I ask? Whom shall I approach to locate the owner? Whom do I ask? And whom shall I approach to locate the owner?
Ma'am, can you do dance?
Yes.
Ma'am, third one first is who?
What can I do to assist you? Shall I complete it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Continue. B with interrogative pronouns. थोड़ा speed up करो शौर्य.
Ma'am, fifth one is also done.
Okay. Solve the third one. Reflexive pronoun.
So my hand is spinning now.
Take some rest.
Ma'am, can we write direct answer?
Okay. Okay. From third onwards, you can write direct answer.
Okay.
थर्ड वन यहाँ पे we watched ourselves नहीं we watched ourselves. F की जगह पे VES, it's a plural क्योंकि यहाँ पे we है, right? We
Yes, ma'am.
watched ourselves on the video. We admired ourselves looking so grand in the wedding finery.
Ma'am, what is the answer of third one second?
Ourselves.
And fourth one second.
I myself saw the cat licking itself clean. Cat lick. Cat lick itself clean. And cats clean themselves. Here also it will come in plural. Taksh. Okay,
Okay.
because we are talking about cats. Sure, where are you?
Okay. Ma'am, I'm on the fourth one of question number two.
B. Okay, फटाफट. Okay.
I mean, in Japan, my handwriting are very nice.
Uh-huh.
But for fast speed, my mother says you have to use ball pen.
अच्छा.
So I use ball pen. मैं तो लॉकडाउन में भूल ही गया कि जेल पेन क्या है बॉल पेन क्या है Oh my god.
Okay. Fifth one. Taksh, what you have written? Have you written
Ma'am,
fifth?
ma'am, I am on fourth second.
Okay, fourth second.
Ma'am,
Huh?
are you living in China 3?
I will not answer your question.
Ma'am, because in China school we go for taking ball because our society is near the science school.
अच्छा.
Ma'am, and my friend also lives there.
अच्छा. Okay. In fifth one, you yourselves are to be blamed. Not self. ठीक है, यहाँ पे मिस्टेक है यहाँ पे. Yourself नहीं, selves.
Okay.
Sure, completed.
Yes, ma'am, I'm doing the C.
Okay. C में only you have to write the answers. So Jia made herself. Vicky had to force himself. Okay. Third में यहाँ पे देखो, we watch ourselves. Okay, Shaurya?
Okay, ma'am.
Plural will come दोनों side में. Ourselves and ourselves.
मैम दोनों में plural ourselves आएगा ना?
हाँ, plural आएगा ourselves. Because there is a we.
Okay.
And we is for plural. Taksh,
Yes, ma'am.
what are you doing now?
Ma'am, fourth one.
Fourth one. That fourth question number or third ka fourth?
Fourth question number, fourth one.
Okay. Okay.
Now can you scroll down?
Okay. Shaurya, in third and in fifth. In third and fifth, there will be a plural. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Even in fourth one also, cats clean themselves.
Yes, ma'am.
Plural. Actually, self and self sound like similar. है ना? Themselves. तो वो ध्यान से सुनना, मिस्टेक नहीं करना सुनने में.
Ma'am, I am question 5.
Okay.
Ma'am, in sixth one we have to write the singular form or plural?
Singular form of. Take care, auntie. Look after yourself. Taksh.
Yes, ma'am.
In E, number one. In number two, we should not blame others but ourselves. Plural. Okay.
Ma'am,
Now
what is the answer of fourth? The first one.
D's first one. Wait, let me say. Okay. D first one. The food is served. Help yourself, please.
Okay.
Taksh. In E, second number, we should not blame others but ourselves.
Yes, ma'am. I am
Plural.
going.
Huh. Okay.
Now, question number 6.
Wait, we have not discussed yet.
Okay.
First of all, we'll discuss the correct answers and then we will write it. So that mistake na ho. And we write the correct answers. Sorry, completed? D?
Ma'am, I am doing the third one.
Okay. I baked this strawberry and chocolate cake all by
No,
myself.
ma'am, I am doing fourth one by mistake.
Okay. What noise? Tell the boys to behave themselves. Behave themselves.
Ma'am, there will be 2 geography periods.
No, today will be 1. 4 to
Ma'am,
5.
why?
Because
Yeah, and 5 to 6.
5 to 6 is again mine. We have to do that discussion of in the Bazaar of Hyderabad and Mary Curie question answers.
Yes, ma'am.
Then only one chapter will be left, that is interrogative and question tags.
Ma'am, I have sent you the photo.
Yes, I got it. Yes,
No, ma'am, our half part of sentence is there.
yes. Sorry, completed. You are
Ma'am, on the fifth one.
okay. E. Fill in the blanks, wala.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Second wala, it will be a plural. Ourselves. Don't write the wrong answers. Daksh, sit quietly for 2 minutes.
Ma'am, in the second filling, ma'am, is first to second part of, ma'am, we have to write the singular form on.
Plural form. We should not because there is a V. A V is a plural.
No, ma'am.
Huh.
I'm saying is first, second one. Yourself, ma'am,
Okay, there
is
will
the
your
plural or.
your yourself.
Okay.
First ka second is yourself.
Ma'am, second one will be plural.
Yes, second one will be plural. Plural. We should not blame others but ourselves when things go wrong. Saksh, why are your book is incomplete? Some of the exercises you have not written. मतलब छूट
Ma'am,
गया था.
because due to some network issue of ma'am, ma'am missed something.
Ma'am miss
Means
something
we
or
can
you miss
means we
something?
cannot hear properly of ma'am.
अच्छा 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 अच्छा. Okay, no problem. Abhi you have not missed anything, right?
Yes,
Hmm.
ma'am, I have done.
Okay. All Napoleon himself, okay, and although she is very rich, Queen Elizabeth herself. Now, fill in the blank with suitable indefinite pronouns. So, first of all, we will get to know about the indefinite pronoun. मतलब बहुत सारों चीजों के लिए वी यूज अ सिंगल वर्ड, ठीक है। जैसे ऑल द थिंग्स के लिए वी आर यूजिंग एवरीथिंग, all the people that we use everyone, all the places we use everywhere, same thing. Like us, if we are talking about only a few things of some one thing, then we are talking about something. If we are talking about a person, single person, then we are writing somebody or someone. And if we are talking about some place, now we will use somewhere. If we are talking about nothing, so there will be no. If we are talking about no things, then there will be nothing. If we are talking about no person, then there will be nobody or no one. And if there we are talking about no place, then we will write a word of no, nowhere, nowhere. No, not nowhere, nowhere. Okay, so definite pronouns do not stand for any specific person or a thing. It is not indicated. जैसे everything doesn't state अबाउट अ पर्टिकुलर थिंग, ठीक है। हम एवरीथिंग मतलब सब चीज आ गई उसके अंदर में। एवरीवन मतलब वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट एवरीवन। एवरीवेयर मतलब वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट एवरी प्लेसेस। सो वी आर नॉट स्पेसिफिकली स्टेटिंग समवन और समथिंग और सम पर्सन, ठीक है। गॉट इट। सो अभी इतना ही रखता है। वी विल कंटिन्यू इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर। कितना बाकी है, लेट्स सी।
Okay, bye, ma'am.
वेट नो बाय। कितना बाकी है? एफ जी
I.
H I J K
Ma'am, I'm in L.
L.
Ma'am, 7 is.
Okay, we'll continue in the next lecture. That is 5 to 6. Okay.
Ma'am, can I go to washroom?
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Have a nice day.
Same here.
चलो शांति से ब्रेक लेकर आ। लगता है आज हमारा ज्योग्राफी में